Hi everyone, this is a demo for completing the UH Manoa transfer web application for the Bachelor's in Education Exceptional Students in Elementary Education program, otherwise known as ESEE, which is our dual licensure program for elementary and special education. So essentially this is the transfer application, so it can be all done online and it's only 3 basic steps to complete. So the first page is just about you, it's all your personal information. If you have used a different name in the past, just make sure you put yes and put in what name you've used. That way, especially for transcripts or things like that, they can connect it to your current application. Otherwise, everything on here is pretty basic. It's going to be general information about you, including your address, things like that. The one thing I do want to point out is this Your Family section. You can actually leave this blank. It's optional. This is just if you want your parents to receive information about the university. Otherwise, go ahead and skip it. All of these other things, you do need to put your citizenship. Otherwise, ethnicity is also optional, along with some other background information. So once that's done, push save and continue. So this is the most important thing. So in terms of making sure you put fall as your start date, the amount of credits you've already completed. For your planned course of study, go down to Elementary Ed and Special Education BED. So that just make sure that this is the program that you've selected. If you're coming from a different state, it's possible you could fall under the WUI tuition reduction program, so you can click on here to learn more information. This is if you live in one of the Western undergraduate exchange states, such as California, Nevada, New Mexico, Arizona, Washington, things like that. So if you need more information, click on that. And if you qualify, go ahead and push yes so that you can get the reduced tuition cost. Don't worry about any of these additional programs. This will be your previous information in terms of whatever college you've attended. So go ahead and fill this out. If you've attended more than one school, you can choose add another college to add it. You can also upload some unofficial transcripts. However, if you have attended an institution that's not part of the UH system, then you will also need to send your official transcripts as well. So don't forget to do that. But if you attended a Hawaii community college, you don't need to send anything. We have all those transcripts on file. Don't worry about this achievements section. And the SAT scores and ACT scores, I mean, if you have them, you can say yes. Otherwise, don't really worry about this. And the English proficiency test is only for anyone who's coming from a country where English is not the language of instruction. And then once you're done, you just push save and continue, and it'll take you to the residency declaration form. And then once you're done with everything, it'll ask you to pay the $70 application fee, and you can go ahead and do that online. But essentially, it's a quick and easy application that shouldn't take that long to complete. But if you have any questions or you need help, contact me at spedinfo@hawaii.edu. Or if you need an academic advisor, you can contact them at OSAS, OSAS, @hawaii.edu.